Learn Hindi thinking verbs. Assess, evaluate, analyze, compare, explain, summarize and justify in
Hindi.
Welcome to the Brain Gym. Hey, you are about to train your mind in English in
Hindi.
And yes, this chapter is smarter than your cousin who says, "Trust me," before every bad idea. Today you will meet 7 powerful verbs. First, assess.
आकलन करना,
Then evaluate.
मूल्यांकन करना,
Analyze.
विश्लेषण करना,
Compare.
तुलना करना,
Explain.
समझाना,
Summarize.
संक्षेप करना,
And justify.
औचित्य सिद्ध करना.
Imagine them as a team of tiny professors living in your pocket, all wearing glasses, all judging your snacks. A very serious mango mission. Let's learn with a story, because random fruit can make anything memorable. You walk into a market to buy the perfect mango. You pick up one mango and try to assess the situation.
आकलन करना,
Is it ripe, or is it secretly a yellow rock? Then you evaluate the quality.
मूल्यांकन करना,
You analyze the spots, smell, and color.
विश्लेषण करना,
Next, you compare 2 mangoes.
तुलना करना,
One looks elegant, the other looks like it has seen things. The shopkeeper starts to explain the price.
समझाना,
His explanation is long enough to become a historical documentary, so you summarize it in your head.
संक्षेप करना,
Expensive mango, dramatic seller. Finally, he tries to justify the price.
औचित्य सिद्ध करना,
He says this mango listened to classical music and therefore costs extra. You are impressed, confused, and somehow still hungry. Quick meaning boost. Now let's make each word crystal clear. Keep listening and repeat after me if you want. To assess means to judge or estimate carefully. In Hindi, that is.
आकलन करना,
Example. We need to.
आकलन करना,
The risk. To evaluate means to judge quality, value, or result. In Hindi.
मूल्यांकन करना,
Example. Teachers.
मूल्यांकन करना,
Student work. To analyze means to examine something in detail. In Hindi.
विश्लेषण करना,
Example. Scientists.
विश्लेषण करना,
Data. To compare means to look at similarities and differences. In Hindi.
तुलना करना,
Example. We.
तुलना करना,
Prices before buying. To explain means to make something clear. In Hindi.
समझाना,
Example. Please.
समझाना,
The idea simply. To summarize means to give the short main points. In Hindi.
संक्षेप करना,
Example. Can you?
संक्षेप करना,
The article? To justify means to give reasons or proof. In Hindi.
औचित्य सिद्ध करना,
Example. Please.
औचित्य सिद्ध करना,
Your answer. Dialogue at the office of overthinking. Here comes a short dialogue. Imagine 2 coworkers, one calm and one powered entirely by panic. A. We have a problem. B. Great. First let's.
आकलन करना,
The situation. A. I already panicked. Does that help? B. Not exactly. Now let's.
विश्लेषण करना,
The data. A. I analyzed the data emotionally. B. That is not the same thing. Let's.
तुलना करना,
This month's results with last month's. A. This month is bad. Last month was less artistic. B. Please.
समझाना,
What happened? A. In summary, sorry, let me.
संक्षेप करना,
I pressed the wrong button. B. Can you?
औचित्य सिद्ध करना,
That decision? A. I cannot. But I can.
मूल्यांकन करना,
My mistakes very honestly. Memory tricks that actually stick. Let's glue these words into your memory with silly images. Silly works. Your brain secretly loves nonsense. 4.
आकलन करना,
Imagine a cat with glasses holding a clipboard and assessing a fish like a business expert. 4.
मूल्यांकन करना,
Imagine a talent show judge giving a mango a score of 9 out of 10 for personality. 4.
विश्लेषण करना,
Picture a detective studying one tiny biscuit crumb as if it will solve a national mystery. 4.
तुलना करना,
See 2 socks on a stage while a spotlight compares them like celebrity contestants. 4.
समझाना,
Imagine a parrot in a classroom explaining grammar with dramatic wing movements. 4.
संक्षेप करना.
Picture a huge book shrinking into a sticky note. 4.
औचित्य सिद्ध करना.
Imagine a lawyer defending a cat accused of stealing samosas, with charts, proof, and emotional speeches. Mini drill time. Your turn. I say the English word, and you mentally say the Hindi. Ready? Assess.
आकलन करना.
Evaluate.
मूल्यांकन करना.
Analyze.
विश्लेषण करना.
Compare.
तुलना करना.
Explain.
समझाना.
Summarize.
संक्षेप करना.
Justify.
औचित्य सिद्ध करना.
Challenge round. Now let's use the words in context. See if you can guess the right Hindi verb before I say it. Before buying a laptop, you compare the models. In Hindi,
तुलना करना.
a teacher checks the quality of an essay. That is evaluate.
मूल्यांकन करना.
A scientist studies the data deeply. That is analyze.
विश्लेषण करना.
A manager looks carefully at the risk. That is assess.
आकलन करना.
A friend makes a difficult idea clear. That is explain.
समझाना.
You turn a long article into 3 key points. That is summarize.
संक्षेप करना.
You give reasons for your answer in class. That is justify.
औचित्य सिद्ध करना.
One last funny recap. Let's finish with a fast and silly recap. This is your mental replay button. At the market, you.
आकलन करना.
The mango danger level.
मूल्यांकन करना.
The quality.
विश्लेषण करना.
The details and.
तुलना करना.
2 choices. Then the seller tries to.
समझाना.
Why this mango is basically royalty. You.
संक्षेप करना.
His speech into 1 sentence. Then he tries to.
औचित्य सिद्ध करना.
The impossible price. Congratulations. You are now dangerously prepared for classrooms, meetings, debates, and suspicious fruit. Thanks and keep practicing. Nice work. You made it through 7 smart verbs without needing emergency tea. Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing these Hindi words aloud.
आकलन करना. मूल्यांकन करना. विश्लेषण करना. तुलना करना. समझाना. संक्षेप करना.
And.
औचित्य सिद्ध करना.
Use them in your own sentences, repeat them tomorrow, and enjoy getting better step by step.